नमस्कार, प्रुडंट मीडियाच्या हॅलो करिअर या कार्यावळीत तुमचे सगळ्यांचे स्वागत. लोहित नावाच्या ब्राह्मणान एकदा गौतम बुद्धा एक प्रश्न विचारलो की शिक्षण फक्त ब्राह्मण, क्षत्रिय आणि वैश्यानूच घेवपाक जाय हो जो नियम आसा तो तूं मान्य कित्याक करिना. तर गौतम बुद्धान ताका उत्तर दिलें की हे जे 4 वर्ण पडल्यात ते 4 वर्ण धंद्या खातीर पडले आणि शिक्षण घेवप हो खंयचो धंद्याचो किंवा पोटापाण्याचो विशय जावंक जायना, तर तो आमच्या जगण्याचो भाग जावपाक जाय. त्या खातीर शिक्षण गौतम बुद्धान हे सगळ्यां खातीर दवरलेलें. आज शिक्षण सगळ्यां खातीर उपलब्ध आसात, पण या ना त्या कारणा खातीर आज एक व्हडलो एक घटक जो आसा आमच्या समाजातलो तो वंचित उरला शिक्षणा पासून. वेगवेगळी कारणां आसा, तो कारणा खातीर तो घरातलो भुरगो किंवा घरातले बायल मनीस किंवा घरातले आनी कोण शिक्षणा पर्यंत पावना, कॉलेजी पर्यंत पावना. आणि अशा वेळार जर एखादो भुरगो कॉलेजी मेरेन पावना जाल्यार कॉलेजीची गरज आसा की ताका आपल्या शिक्षणा पर्यंत येवपाची आणि त्या जेणे करून ताका व्यवस्थित शिक्षण मेळचें. आणि होच आयचो विशय आसा की करियर डिस्टन्स एज्युकेशनान आपण एखादो भुरगो आपले करियर कशें घडयतलो. आणि ह्या विशयी मार्गदर्शन करपाक आसात इग्नूचे रिजनल डायरेक्टर, गोंयचे रिजनल डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर एस राधा मॅडम. स्वागत तुमच्या कार्यावळीत. मॅडम, इन व्हेरी बिगिनिंग could you throw on light on how IGNOU is different from any other regular university, and does the need of the distance education really alive?
Yes. IGNOU is the complete name Indira Gandhi National Open University. It is the name itself indicates that it is a open and distance education. So you are asking about regular education. It is a distance education. So natural distance education means it is not related to any time restrictions, place restrictions. People and learners from different places, they can communicate and interact and learn through the open learning system. There are two words, learning through open education. It is called a distance education.
Okay. So flexibility.
Yes, it is very flexible. Actually, under distance education, the printed study material will be available to the students.
Okay.
The material is self-structured and it is a self-learning material. One can read that, understand the topic, and they will be able to attend the examination. So that material helps in a written form and online form to the learner. They can sit at home, they can work at office, they can study whenever they are free. So academic counseling schedules, that means in general you say lecturings, they are not mandatory in distance education.
So madam, so which are the various courses that you have offered from IGNOU?
So in IGNOU is offering all programs from PhD to degrees. It is meant for higher education. So we are having the BDP programs, bachelor degree programs. When we talk of programs, actually I should also explain briefly. IGNOU is located in New Delhi, the headquarter. And it's running through its regional centers. All over India we have 67 regional centers. Again, regional center in their region, they establish the study centers.
There is a structural part.
So all the programs of IGNOU may not be available with all the regional centers.
Okay.
So when we talk of regional programs, RC Panaji may be having few programs among the all programs of IGNOU.
Okay.
So we are totally having 228 programs.
And Goa, how many programs you are offering?
Goa we are having more than 80 programs.
Okay.
Goa also we are offering master degree programs and the bachelor degree programs and certificate programs, PG diplomas and diploma programs.
Okay.
Except PhDs.
Okay.
PhD and MPhil programs are run by headquarters itself.
Okay. Madam, who are the learners who can really benefit from this university? So, what is the criteria to join these courses or the university?
Yes. See, in fact, education is a lifelong process from childhood to old age.
Okay.
So, the program should be flexible to meet the requirement of the society among all age groups, all genders. So, as your question itself having the answer, this distance education provided that solution for the people who everybody are eligible who completed 18 years plus. Okay. They can study and open distance system. Even after retirement also, people may want to spend their life productively, joyfully, to avoid the depression or the loneliness. Distance education is boon for them.
Yeah.
We have the students who after retirement they want to update their skills, they want to have some active lifestyle. They join for PG programs, diploma programs, PhDs also.
Okay.
We have the students after the age of 60 plus also.
Okay. So after completion of 12th, you can join
Yes,
to
yes.
IGNOU.
After completion of 18 year, even need not be the 12th.
Okay.
We have the program called BPP, Bachelor Preparatory Program. Some people, they did not complete their studies due to personal reason, domestic problems. So now they want to do degree, but they didn't have plus two. Then they can do this PPP program of 6 months bridge course. They can go for any graduation in IGNOU.
Okay. And what is the medium of instruction over
The
there?
medium is generally English, and our Rajabhasha is Hindi. Both mediums study material is available.
Okay.
Because IGNOU is a central university, all over India we are having, so these two languages. But some programs like BDP, bachelor degree program, few programs are available in the local regional language. Only foundation courses can be written by the students. When they go for English medium, while writing examination they can choose those mediums.
Okay. Madam, we see that UGC is a regulatory body for the regular universities. What about IGNOU? So is IGNOU belongs to UGC only, or they belongs to any different regulatory body?
And as I said, IGNOU is a university established by the Act of Parliament, but the norms should be laid down by UGC only in India. University Grants Commission is the regulatory body for all the universities.
Whether it is a regular university or the open university?
Yeah, any university, any university. UGC is the only monitoring authority. The norms should be laid down by them for appointment of people, for salaries, for training, development, running the programs, everything. So UGC only the monitoring body.
Okay. And what about the Distance Education Council?
Distance Education Council is a division of the UGC.
Okay.
See, there are regular programs are there, distance education programs are there. For smooth running of these universities and colleges, they made the divisions. So DEC, Distance Education Council, monitoring these activities of the distance and
education.
open learning universities in India.
Okay. And what about the engineering college? They have having separate wings?
See, AICTE is there. But again, AICTE, UGC, they are all internally related. The norm should be laid on by each division, should be agreed by UGC only again.
Okay. Madam, we in every newspaper day by day we are reading about the fake universities. So there are many universities in Goa or in nationwide. They are advertising any this thing courses, and after joining students they are in this thing. So what to do about this? Means what precaution students and parents should take regarding this?
Yeah. See, actually it is a prevailing problem what we have seen being a regional director. Everyone must, not only the student, even parents, students and teachers, everyone must aware of our regulatory body UGC, University Grants Commission. Because of lack of awareness, this UGC only, fake universities may be taking chance and students may be getting cheated by them.
Okay.
So one should go for the University Grants Commission website.
Okay.
The website is very wonderfully prepared, and every guidelines, the list of the fake university, list of the recognized universities, every GO circulars are available in the website. And UGC also day by day they give the public notices in the newspaper. So one should first aware of UGC. I mean, even the parents, when they deliver a child, they should aware of UGC also.
Okay.
If you see this, it is a public notice. Regularly UGC provides in the newspapers. So one has to go through these things.
So this
who
is
do not
published
know
in
how
every
to yes, regularly it comes.
So
every
here is
year.
the Bihar fake university, Delhi,
Yes.
Karnataka,
Yeah.
Kerala.
So they have to see this list. They should not approach those universities.
Okay.
Because they are also printing in the newspaper, they are also displaying in the websites, and every college also will be getting these notifications. And due to the lack of awareness, our children are committing mistakes.
ओके. एक महत्वाचो मुद्दो मॅडमीन हांगा सांगलो की जे फेक युनिव्हर्सिटीज आसात ते खूब पद्धतशीरपणान आपलो प्रचार करतात की थंय तुमकां खंयच दिश्टी पडना, पण हांगा पेरंट्साची आनी भुरग्यांची जबाबदारी वाडटा की खंयच्या डिस्टन्स एज्युकेशनाच्या युनिव्हर्सिटीन प्रवेश घेवच्या पयलीं UGCची वेबसायट चेक करात, त्यांची लिस्ट पळयात आणि समजा तुमकां खंयचो दुबाव मारता आसत की ती युनिवर्सिटी आसा वा ना हाच्या खातीर मॅडमी सारखे आसात किंवा हायर ऑथॉरिटी आमच्या गोंयांत जे आसा शिक्षण क्षेत्रांत तांच्या कडेन संपर्क साधून जर आमी फुडें गेले जाल्यार आमचे भ्रमनिरास जावचो ना. व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट पॉयंट यू मेड. मॅडम, वॉट अबाउट द व्हॅलिडिटी ऑफ द डिग्री? I'm asking because IGNOU is what you said is a recognized university and it is but what about many other universities? Means their degree and the other degree is equivalent, or the degree attained by the regular courses they have given weightage for job?
Really a good question which is required by many people. As I said, there are two aspects. One is the university should be recognized by the UGC.
Okay.
A recognized university degrees are recognized.
Oh.
There is no doubt about that. So one has to go for the recognized universities. Again, when they go for the recognized university, the next part, when they want to choose for distance education, it is the role of the learner and the parents only to verify the detail.
Okay.
If they take, for example, IGNOU, if they want to join for IGNOU, they should first find out that what is their regional center. Then if they go for the concerned regional center Panjim, they will come to know our study centers.
Okay.
So recognized study center, again every study center will be having one study center code.
Okay.
So if the study center has that code number, if it is authenticated list of the IGNOU, then they should apply for that study center.
Okay.
Without confirmation of these details, they should not go for a study center for a degree.
Okay.
And another thing is, when you talk of validity, I would like to state two more points with you. As per our UGC, there are specifically, in recently one, it is happening, territorial jurisdiction. This means, I am also reading that state universities cannot establish off-campus centers, affiliating colleges beyond the territorial jurisdiction of the concerned state.
What is meant by state university?
So state university means, and now I said IGNOU is a central university, like that every state will be having some universities.
Like a Karnataka state.
Karnataka state university, Karnataka governments, and some private universities will be there. So these universities located where they established, they should impart their education study centers located in the same state only.
So they cannot
open the study other than their state.
And if they open, then that degree is not valid.
Are not valid.
Okay, okay.
So it is not that university is not valid. Study centers established outside the state, in other state, if the student study there, he will not be recognized student.
Okay.
So they should be more careful while identifying these things. They should verify the list whether it is a state university. In India, IGNOU is the only one central university.
Okay.
If people working in army,
Okay.
INS, Air Forces, central government organizations, they cannot go for state university. If they get transfers, again difficult for them.
Okay.
So they prefer the IGNOU central universities.
In this case, the university may be valid, but their study center will be not valid.
They have to verify that.
Okay.
Even there is a chance some people may be acting like a study center, they may not be genuine study center.
Okay.
So whether study center also recognized by university or not should be verified with the concerned regional center.
Okay.
Only regional center will provide clear detail through website or by consulting the regional center personally, they will come to know.
Okay.
And another aspect what I would like to say is, even it is, so many newspapers also these issues are covering. For example, if the student want to study law programs, in such a case, it is not advisable to go for distance education pre-university degrees.
Okay.
It is also very clearly stated by Bar Council. Several times it is coming in the newspaper. They have very clearly stated that